Imagine this. You're a cryptocurrency enthusiast with a digital wallet brimming with coins. Let's take a moment to consider the importance of where you keep these coins. You have diligently acquired these cryptocurrencies over time, through a combination of buying and perhaps even some mining. But have you ever taken a moment to think about where exactly those coins are stored? Chances are, those coins are still sitting on an exchange. On the surface, this might seem like a practical decision. Exchanges are, after all, designed to facilitate and simplify the trading of cryptocurrency. It's where you bought them, so it's logical to keep them there, right? But before you get comfortable, you should understand why that's a risky move. Firstly, we need to consider the security risks. Cryptocurrency have become hot targets for hackers. In the digital world, your coins are akin to a treasure chest, and your exchange is not Fort Knox. Every day, hackers are devising innovative methods to breach even the most sophisticated security systems. Don't let your hard-earned coins be their next big score. Secondly, a significant lack of control. When your coins are on an exchange, you're at the mercy of the platform's policies and whims. If they decide to freeze your account or update their terms of service, you're out of luck. You have virtually no influence or control over these decisions. A third concern is exchange failures. Exchanges, like any other online platform, can and have crashed. When they do, your coins can vanish into thin air. This isn't a remote possibility either. There have been several instances where exchange crashes have led to significant losses for users. The fourth thing to keep in mind is limited ownership. On an exchange, you don't truly own your coins. You merely have an IOU. It's not the same as having physical cash in your hand or even money in a traditional bank. Fifth, there are regulatory changes. Sudden shifts in regulation can affect your access to your own coins. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies, and their decisions could impact you directly. Finally, we come to liquidity issues. If everyone decides to at once, you could be left high and dry. The exchange might not have sufficient funds to cover all withdrawals, leaving you in a lurch. So what's the solution? Keep those coins safe in a private wallet. It's the smart move. Until next time, stay savvy.